everyone. Today I'm going to share how to make caramel custard. First you have to make the caramel, which is nothing but sugar. Keep mixing on medium heat. Ensure you don't burn the sugar. Once the syrup is ready, add 1 tablespoon of warm water so you get a nice consistency like this. So my caramel is ready. Now I'll move on to making the custard. Now transfer the caramel into the bowls. And just give it a nice swirl. Bowl and add 350 ml of milk, and to that add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give it a nice mix, and once it starts to boil, turn off the gas. Now for the custard, take a bowl and add 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk. So that's 3 eggs basically, 1 without the white, and whisk it nicely. I've already whisked it and kept it ready. And add the milk mixture to it. And mix it nicely. Now once you've mixed, I'm using the same container. You need to strain the mixture. Now add the custard to your bowls with the caramel. Add them to 3/4. I'm using bigger cups. Use an aluminium foil and cover your cups this way before you bake it in the oven. This is a 5-minute craft video that I learned from my daughter Shanu. No? Okay. This is one of the videos that she asked me to follow, so credit goes to my daughter. Now take a baking pan, add a cup of water to it, and add your bowls to that. Yeah, just place your bowls this way, and it's ready to go into the oven. Now you need to preheat your oven to 160 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then bake the caramel custard for 50 minutes. Okay, my caramel custard is into the oven, and I'm going to bake it for I'm just going to bake it for 40 minutes first, and then remember that it has to be 160 degrees and 40 minutes I'm baking, and then I'll add another 10 minutes to it. Once the caramel custard is baked, you need to keep it in the fridge for till it cools down. Actually, before putting it in the fridge, keep it aside for 10 minutes to cool down, and then put it in the fridge. and once it's cooled down, you should be able to plate it. So my caramel custard is ready. Look at that. And I'd like to just kind of slice it at the edges. Wait. So my caramel custard is ready, and I'm going to plate it now. So take a large plate like this and then turn the custard around. And there you go. You have a perfect caramel custard. Try this, guys. It's really nice. Look at that. It's nice and bubbly. So do try it in your place and let me know how it turns out. Enjoy the caramel custard. Bye-bye.